In this video, we'll discuss how to flip features into benefits. That's super important, and you should pretty much try to do it every single time you are writing copy, because a lot of companies and marketers try to focus on the features, and this is one of the big reasons why they fail, because customers do not understand features, but they very clearly and easily understand the benefits for them. So let's jump on to the benefits crush features part of this course, and let's start with an example. First of all, I think one of the best examples in the marketing industry is the iPod. Instead of talking about the features and the fact that they managed to jam a hard disk within the iPod and put 1 gigabyte of storage for MP3s, and say, here's what our product can do, what Apple did is they focused on the benefit of that, and that's the fact that people can put 1,000 songs in their pocket. This means that they can take their entire music collection with them, and they focused on, here's what you can do with our product. And boy, did it work. Of course, it worked. So just to give you several more examples, airline companies are doing this same mistake a lot. For example, when they are talking about the points that you are going to get with your flight. Join our promotion now and you're going to get 50,000 points. What? What does that mean? Can I get 1 free flight, 2 free flights? Can I fly for free? Can I get like an upgrade to my flight? Can I fly first class for the price of economy class? What can I do with that? I don't understand, and of course I'm not going to go for it and buy it. This is the main principle. Instead of talking about the megabytes and the gigabytes, talk about what people can get out of it. Again, here you can also use my framework of the what's in it for them to show people how much time they can save, how much money they can save, what's the benefit for them, and how does your product make their life better. Now, in order for you to better understand this, I want to make the clear distinction between features, advantages, and benefits. A feature is a fact that describes what a product has or does, right? So the iPod, the first iPod, had 1 gigabyte of storage for MP3s. That's a feature. An advantage would be how or why it's better than our product. So here the advantage would be we can store more music on our device. That's an advantage. And the benefit of that is that you can put your entire collection, you can put 1,000 songs in your pocket. So that's what you can do or gain, and what's in it for you. How does it make your life better? Now the question remains, how do you flip features into benefits? You do it with the so what formula several times to turn features into benefits. So let's try it first with the iPod. You get 1 gigabyte of storage for MP3s. So what? So you can store more music on your device. So what? So you don't have to change it all the time. So what? So you can put your entire collection on your device. Now that's kind of an example. I'm not very good at it, especially when recording live videos, but let's take another example. If we take Masters Academy, I'm going to do this one on the fly, so don't be judgmental. Learn digital performance marketing. This is the theme that we're going to be focusing on later on, right? What's digital performance marketing? What can I do with it? I don't know. So how can we flip that into benefit? So what if I learn digital performance marketing? Well, you can grow businesses and you can have a much bigger impact on for your time and for your marketing efforts, and you can help businesses grow. So what? So you can find a job in any company you want. So you can get a raise, get a higher salary. So you can plan and start your own business if you want to. So you can work from home. Now that would be the benefit of signing up for Masters Academy, right? So that's it for benefits and features. Definitely, once you write your copy, try to flip all of the features of your product or service and turn them into benefits, and try to communicate those by applying the so what formula over and over again until you cannot apply it anymore, and that would get you to the benefits at the end. So let's move on to the next one.